Yo, producers, what's up? This is Alien Chaos, and this is a new episode of Making Hitech on Bitwig. Now, I already made some sounds, and now I'm going to start by sequence them, making the most fun part of making music. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now I have this session. I already made kick and bass, drums, and all of these sounds only using stock devices from Bitwig. So if you skip this lesson, go check it out, the previous video. And of course, if you want the template of all of these instruments I made during the class, consider to join the membership plan on YouTube. The member area, it's a button that you press around this video, and then you can join the membership program that you can access exclusive videos that I go even deeper on music production. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to delete this MIDI that I used to record sounds, and I'm going to focus now here on the arrangement first. Okay, so I select those groups I made here, and then I'm gonna to duplicate 4 times, okay? Just to have some idea where I'm going to start. And maybe I'm gonna move here because then I have space for intro. So let's move drums here. Let's focus on the kick and bass and the sounds. Okay, and let's go. Take one piece of audio here, and now to process this audio I'm going to use third-party plugins. Okay, so let's go. I just select a random part, but then I can move here. I like this. And now I can process this. Maybe I'm gonna try using Lexicon, this reverb tail. I like that. Let's try. So as I'm using the last version of Bitwig, they add a super nice function, okay? If you already know Bitwig, we have this bounce, which I normally use, and bounce in place, but bounce in place is pre-effect, okay? You are not printing with the effect. But now they add this function, which is bounce in place with post-effect. Let me see, maybe it's Shift Option Command B. Yes, it is. So Shift Option Command and B, you already print with the effect over here. So now I can bypass the effect. And I already have the sounds, okay? So now let's go to this ambience here. So